Omer is a world debate champion. We're a founding team of internationally recognized debaters.
We're going to have to resign ourselves to understanding we're never going to win a debate.
I'm Sai Kumar, a partner at Redpoint Ventures, and I'm joined by my partners Scott Rainey and Jordan Segal. And with us today is Dan Lahav and Omer Nevo, the CEO and CTO of Irregular. Dan and Omer, thanks so much for doing this with us. We'd love for you to take us through what you're building. Dan, I'll turn it over to you. What's Irregular?
So you can think about Irregular as an applied AI lab focused on security. If the goal of the frontier labs, such as OpenAI or Anthropic, is to create increasingly more capable and sophisticated AI systems, our mission at Irregular is to secure these increasingly capable and sophisticated AI systems. We're building a high-fidelity research platform that simulates and monitors AI security scenarios in order to build the next generation of defenses.
The scope of what you're addressing here is so broad. What gives you your unique edge to be able to tackle these problems?
A lot of it is the connections that we have to labs, to governments, to researchers working on frontier AI. Gives us the ability to focus, to see ahead of time what's going on. And a big part of it is putting that together with what is the best team in the world.
Why is this problem so important for each of you personally?
Both of us have this two feelings at the same time, where one of them is incredibly excited about all of the amazing things that we genuinely expect AI will bring, but also genuinely scared of all of the things that can be done with AI that are going to be harmful to a lot of people around the world. What it means is that we have to find ourselves at that place that allows moving forward, allows utilizing AI for a lot of good things, by making sure that we can eventually say to labs and to enterprises and to deployers and to governments, here is how, if you do this, you can get amazing things from AI and be able to still sleep at night.
Why is this the perfect time for Irregular to emerge?
So we think that AI is potentially the biggest invention in history, and it's going to be even potentially bigger than the first industrial revolution. So our view is that the most important problem in the world right now is creating the hedge, allowing humanity to continue to enjoy the benefits of what AI is going to bring, while figuring out how to reduce some of the risks.
You're a frontier AI security company. Can you maybe talk about what that means and what that distinction is?
There's a huge difference between solving the problems that are currently prevalent, that lots of companies are seeing, that we see in a lot of different places, compared to looking at the edge at where AI is going, looking a little bit further even, and saying new things are happening, weird things are happening. We're not sure yet what AI looks like a year or 2 or 5 down the line, but solving these problems in huge uncertainty.
So how are you thinking about where to start?
We focus on areas that are not covered by classic security. An example could be distillation attacks. In the context of AI security, it's a way for a model to train and back off of just like studying the outputs of another model. And that creates a new cyber attack vectors where hackers can steal proprietary AI models, training data, or sensitive information without even ever directly accessing the original system, just by interacting with it normally and training their own model to mimic it. Our view is that security is going to fundamentally change, and we're most curious by these problems and how to create a security stack for the future and the next generation of defenses.
Well, your raw excitement around the problem was so tangible from our first meeting. That's first and foremost what got us so excited, especially around the team that you're building. We think you have the perfect team assembled for this problem, just incredibly well respected in the broader AI and cybersecurity ecosystems. And we also think you have an incredibly clever positioning and insertion point by working with the labs. You have very unique access and understanding of the inner workings of these models and what's to come, and that's very special, and that can't be said of any other standard AI security company. And we love that you call yourselves a frontier AI security company. AI is obviously the next paradigm shift for humanity, and it's already enhancing our lives in countless ways. We're incredibly excited to be in business with you and Irregular.
It's genuinely so exciting to be working together, and we are just looking forward to a lot of huge things we can build together and all of the things that we get from working together.